What's going on, everybody? Paul Tech here, and in today's video I want to share with you how you can block phone calls and messages on your brand new LG Aristo 2. So maybe you got that ex, maybe you got that certain somebody that just keeps calling you, messaging you. I'm going to walk you through the steps so you can have them blocked. What you want to do first is open up the phone dialer. Once you open up the phone dialer, you're going to notice these three dots on the upper right hand corner. Go ahead and click there, and then you're going to go ahead and click on call settings. Once you click on call settings, you're going to see the option right there for call blocking and decline with message. So that is what you want to click on. And once you do that, you'll see you got these different options here: decline with a message, block numbers. And this is where you're going to be able to input that specific number from calling your LG Aristo 2. And you can add this either from your contacts, your call logs, or you could input a new number. So I'll go ahead and give you a demonstration here. I'll just type in some random number. And this is just basically the steps, the process, and you're going to be able to block whichever number that you want. So as you can see there, I got two numbers that are blocked. And you can also delete these numbers. So if you want to unblock them, you have that option as well. You go ahead and back up out of there. And then you also have this other feature here, which is called digit filter. And I'll go ahead and share with you how you can set this up. So you can pretty much enter a number, whichever number that it starts with or ends with, and whatever time you get a phone call from a number starting, for instance, with 530 or 626, or ending with that number, it's going to filter those calls, and you're going to be able to block them as well. You also have the option to the bottom here to reject all calls from private numbers. So you can either enable that or you can disable that feature. So that is pretty much what you got in the call settings. I'm going to go ahead and back up, and then you also have additional features, which is very similar to what I just showed you here in the call settings under your messaging application. So you can open up your messaging application, the three dots on the upper right hand corner. What you want to do is click there, and then you're going to click on settings. So once you click on settings, you're going to see you got these options here for notification, message blocking. Message blocking is what you want to click on, and then as you can see there, you got all your block numbers. Now when you add the numbers for your block numbers, it's also going to work for blocking the messages as well. You also have a digit filter like I showed you earlier. So whatever, digits you want to input, whether it starts or ends with, you have that. And under messaging, you also have word filter. So you're going to be able to block messages based on specific words. This is actually pretty neat. So you can input whatever specific words you want. For instance, like "you just won," kind of those sweepstakes messages that you sometimes get. You can block something like that, or whatever you want to put in. But that is actually pretty cool that you do have that feature under messaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cancel that out, and then I'll go back, and then you can also block unknown numbers. So you have that feature as well. And then you also have a block box to the bottom there, which will show whatever that has been blocked. But that's basically it. That is how you can pretty much block phone calls and messages from coming into your LG Aristo 2. So if you found this video helpful, informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.